Well, had a nice afternoon. Enjoyed it. So long.
Oh, careful. Grass is wet.
Dr. Forrest, does your job at the factory allow you to treat any outside patients?
Well, that's a very special case.
Or a very special person?
Well, I make my own rules. I can break one of them.
I see. Well, goodbye and bye.
Bye.
Somebody please tell me why we're all so gloomy. I'm going to be a grandfather. Ben's going to be an uncle. All you girls are going to be aunts. One girl gets one baby and we all get new titles. I think it's wonderful. Besides, I'm hungry.
Wonderful indeed. And you sit there all ready to enjoy your soup.
I said I was going to eat my soup. I didn't say I was going to enjoy it.
You're not catching cold, are you?
Gee, I hope so.
What are you thinking about?
Oh, I was just thinking how wonderful it is of a great, big, important man like you to take so much time teaching me the ropes.
I don't guess you'd like to stop off at my place and have a nightcap. No, I guess not. Catching cold?
I think it's the change of climate.
Okay. I suppose you have a boyfriend back home.
Mm-hmm.
Engaged? You're going to sort of have to have someone look after you. You know, a young girl kicking around New York alone is liable to run into a lot of wolves. Especially an attractive girl like you.
You're 100% right about that, Mac.
Hello, Papa.
Virginia?
Oh, there you are, Pa.
Yes, here I am. That I know. Otherwise, I am not sure of anything. Bless you. This afternoon, right after classes, my colleagues gave me a farewell party and this. Bless you. As a parting gift.
Oh.
And then the principal of the school made a speech at me. And finally, I read in the paper, Mr. McCooley resigns position to perfect life-saving raft. Now, where...
Great.
Now, Virginia, where'd this story come from?
Well, I guess the principal phoned the newspaper.
Well, why? Why would he do a thing like that? Bless you.
I guess because I phoned him. Hey, Larry, where's my catcher's mitt? How do I...
Gesundheit. Thanks. I must have caught cold. You were saying that Mary Sage used to work for you.
Yeah, when I was in business.
How long ago was that, Mrs. Buchanan?
Over 5 years ago.
How old did you say she was then?
About 21. Yeah, 21. Take some hot tea with lemon and a teaspoon of honey and get plenty of rest. You'll be over that cold in no time.
Thanks. I'll get my wife to fix me some when I get home. Bless you.
Wait. All those girls murdered.
I didn't have no part of it. I blacked out.
I'll telephone.
Bless you.
Thanks.
Oh, Judge, I just had to come in and thank you. You were terrific. The way you told my ex where to get off that by What's the matter? Those roses. Roses. She's at the roses. What's the matter? Get those out of here. What's the matter? She's allergic to roses. They give her hay fever. Oh, Judge, I'm so sorry. After the way you fixed up my allergy. I don't discuss cases with litigants. Okay, Judge, I just want to know if you were... Mrs. Blair, I said I don't discuss... cases. Now, if you're not out of here in 2 seconds, I'll reopen the case and find you in contempt. Why, you're not a woman, you're a human law book. Jane!
Is that you?
My head just come back on me.
Honey, you rolled.
Take him away! Take him away! Oh!
Chippy, what are you doing here? It's not chow time.
I don't know if we've adopted him or if he's adopted us. If we're going to adopt a male, can't it be the kind with 2 legs and a dry nose?
All along, I thought I was your mascot. Is that?
I sure hope that medical report comes back soon with what I'm allergic to.
Gee, I hope it's nothing they have you shot for.
Let's give me a shot for. I hope. If Adrian finds out I've got an allergy, I'm going to be shipped off Ratikai with a medical discharge. It's a sister act. When I sneeze, Molly sneezes. Are you all right?
Yes, I'm all right. I'm quite all right, but that beast is positively nasty. Coming down with the cold, McGuire.
Oh, no, sir. Must be the dust or something.
Actually, this isn't the first beef you've had with Adrian.
You still don't know what you're allergic to, huh?
The test the medical officer made had to be sent to the lab at Confleet, and they haven't come back yet.
Oh, gee, Skipper, I'll be glad when you find out what you're allergic to so I can stop sneezing.
And you're not allergic to salt air. The only thing that bugs you is plain old animal hair.
Animal hair? Like Herman animal hair?
Right. So what are you going to do about it, Lieutenant?
Oh, I guess I'm just gonna my way through World War II.